In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Setmore account to Instagram. This step-by-step guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their booking process directly through Instagram. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Setmore's website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and enter the Setmore URL. Once you're on the Setmore homepage, log into your account with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up by entering the necessary details. Having a Setmore account is essential as it's the platform we'll be integrating with Instagram today. Upon logging in, look towards the left side of the screen for the sidebar menu where you'll find various options. Here, you want to click on Integrations. This section is a hub where you can connect your Setmore account to different platforms that you use for your business or services. The integration feature in Setmore is designed to enhance your booking process and offer seamless connectivity between apps. Once in the integration section, scroll through the available options and you will see Instagram bookings. Click on it to proceed. This will open a new page that will allow you to connect your Setmore account directly with Instagram, letting your followers easily book appointments or services right from your Instagram profile. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses using Instagram as a marketing platform, turning engagement into action seamlessly. Next, you'll see the option to connect. Click the button to begin linking your Setmore account with Instagram. You may be prompted to log in to your Instagram account at this stage. Use your Instagram credentials to proceed. This step will authorize the connection and allow the platforms to exchange necessary information securely. After successfully connecting to Instagram, you'll also have the option to explore Instagram streaming. This feature is another great way to enhance your engagement with followers by offering streamlining booking options through live sessions or posts. Click on Instagram streaming if this is something you're interested in, and then simply click on Connect to set it up. Finally, take a moment to review the settings and permissions on both platforms to ensure everything is properly synced and ready for use. That's it. You've successfully linked your Setmore account to Instagram. Now your customers can easily book your services through your Instagram profile, making the process more efficient for them and beneficial for your business. Remember, streamlining your online booking process can greatly enhance customer experience and help increase your appointment intake. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.